Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to make music with Google Gemini by using the new Lyria 3 model. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Gemini. And after that, as you can see in the bottom left of the screen, there is that options icon. Click on it. And after that, click on Create Music. And after that, choose the style of the music that you want to make. For example, I will choose 8-bit. And after that, tell how you want your music to be. For example, I will say I want birthday song for a person who is name is Ahmed, and click send, and just wait for few seconds. It's like creating now your track. It's generating your track. Just wait a little bit more. And voila, your track is ready. So you can open it and listen to it without any problem. And also you can download it and share it with anyone that you want. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.